Good Sunday morning, everybody. It is June 23rd, 2019. I'm on my way to the flying field for the day, and then we have to go to work early this evening. I've got Bailey with me here. She loves going to the flying field. We're going to be staining the shed that we had built earlier this year. We're going to put some stain on it rather than paint it. And got a bunch of stuff to barbecue today, and might even get some flying in. We'll see what happens. Pretty windy. It's pretty windy, but it is a nice day. I'm showing 73 degrees now, and it's only a quarter to 11, so probably going to be a pretty nice day. Hoping the wind might die down a little bit later in the afternoon. Yeah, I don't know if I told you guys or made it clear that I belong to two different flying clubs. This club I'm going to today is the one that I showed the clips yesterday of the picnic. And that's really my main club. That's the original one I joined. And then I belong to another club because I have some friends over in that club. So, you know, it's try to support the flying clubs in the area because there's not that many of us that do it anymore. It's kind of a little bit of a dying hobby, but we like it. Yeah, we had the school across the street. Actually, this flying field is on school property, and it's a BOCES facility, which I think that's probably what, I don't think other states call it that. It's what New York calls it. It's like high school kids can go there and learn a trade like plumbing and carpentry and stuff like that. We had them build us a shed at the beginning of the school year this year, and it's really nice. It really turned out nice. We can fit both mowers in. It's got doors on both sides so you can drive in and drive out. It's just really nice shed. One of our members donated some metal roofing, so it's got a metal roof on it, so it should last a long time. But yeah, it's a real nice shed. We'll show it to you when we get up here. Alright guys, this is a little road we got going into our flying field here.
We run out of flare.
Yeah, so that's the shed. Both mowers fit in there nice. Very nice. Like it. That's what it looks like before it's stained on this side here.
Throttle off on that generator so it just runs. Mower my lunch. I forgot you guys shut the gas off. Right. I pulled the carburetor off.
All right, shed's all stained, and we're gonna have us a nice little picnic lunch now.
But But they have a plastic line for ethanol before Brian.
Alright guys, we're getting ready to head home from the flying field. Everything is secured here, locked up. Just got to head out and close the main gate. Had a good day today. Weather was good, we ate good. I didn't do any flying, but some of the other guys did. Had a good time anyway. Okay. Ooh, got that air conditioning on. I got the windows open, but I got the AC on high, blowing on me. I'm showing 88 degrees. Ooh, got a little bit warmer than I thought it was. Here's the old seatbelt warning. That's alright, I gotta get out right up here and close the main gate. Yeah, all that gate's meant for is just to keep people from driving in off the road, you know. It's not locked up or anything. All this property here behind me and behind me over there is all belongs to the school. It's all Bosie's property. That's the school off here to the left that owns all this property. It's like it's gonna be a real nice evening. Yeah, we got about a 40-minute ride home now. We'll be home before 7 and get our act together and be probably out of the house by 8 o'clock, back to work. Who's the baby dog? Huh? Who's the baby dog? Alright guys, we're home. We're just sitting out here on the grass for a minute. Taking Miss Bailey out for her little walk before we go in the house. We still got to unload everything out of the airplane trailer. All our food stuff that we had today and a couple other things. Batteries. I don't like to leave my batteries in the trailer because they get too hot. That's the batteries for the airplanes and stuff like that, the radio transmitter. But man, it sure is nice. I'd like to go get my easy chair and just sit out here for about an hour. Alright guys, so we made it home from the flying field and we're finally getting moving here. It's about 10 minutes after 9. It's okay, we got plenty of time. We should be in Batavia by 2 a.m. anyway, because I want to stop in Binghamton for fuel and then we'll go straight on up to Batavia. But we're okay with time because we don't deliver Batavia till noon tomorrow, and then we're going to run over and deliver to Henrietta for the second stop. And we'll be in good shape. Okay guys, I'm stopping for fuel, and I forgot about this place. I was going to stop in Binghamton, I said earlier, but this is more on the way. Binghamton, I mean, it's not that it's that far out of the way, but this is right on the route. Where's my pens? Lost all my pens. Huh. Lost all my pens. It's a good thing we got a whole bunch in here. I'm just writing down my mileage on the fuel receipt. I'll figure out the fuel mileage when I get stopped later. And we took on 152 gallons of diesel and 5.3 gallons of DEF fluid. The pump price is $359.9. That's what's on the receipt. So the receipt is $563 for 152 gallons plus 5.3 gallons of DEF. But I only paid $240.9. Well, so that'd be $2.409 per gallon is what the discount was. So I got to figure it out. That's more than $1 a gallon off. So it's going to be at least $150 off that bill. So be what, $410 roughly? And I'll figure it out later. That's pretty good savings. Anyway, we've got 46 miles left to go, and we're going to call it a day then. Okay guys, we are shut down for the night here. We're in Batavia, New York, and we're going to call it a day. Appreciate you guys stopping in to the Trucker John show today. Glad you could be here. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay guys, take care.